Today we are playing teacher teacher. So today we are revising the chapter rights and duties. Okay children. So I have yellow pen, rights and duties. Okay. So children, please take out your book. I will read the points. No fighting today, children. Rights are defined. I hope all children can see my screen. Rights are defined as basic human freedoms which every Indian citizen has the right to enjoy for a proper and enormous development of personality. These rights universally apply to all citizens irrespective of race, place of birth, religion, caste और gender. हमें ये सब कुछ देना पड़ता है. Okay everyone, I hope you all can see. So आज हमारे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं, हम जल्दी से इसकी रिवाइजिंग करेंगे. फिर मैं अगले पार्ट में आपको अगली रिवाइजिंग दिखाऊंगी. The fundamental duties are defined as the moral obligation of all citizens to help promote a separate of patriotism and to uphold the unity of India. Rights and duties are two wheels on which the carrot of life moves forward smoothly. Life can become smoother if rights and duties go hand in hand and become complementary to each other. मुझे complementary का मीनिंग नहीं पता, मेरी 8% बैटरी तभी कह रही हूँ. Complementary, yes, this is the meaning. Going together with somebody, something, adding something which the person or thing does not have. Okay, I understood. So back. So children, please take out your books. I will share a book page. Those children don't have book, please purchase it as you can soon because exams are coming. Today we are revising. Give me your lunch now. Hey, stop! Why you are bullying the little children? Return their lunch box immediately. Immediately का meaning होता है अभी की अभी दो. Give now. Give now. Give now. Okay. So leave the younger boys alone and let them eat their lunch in peace. Peace होता है शांति, silent में, शांति में. Okay. So you can see that the head boy, आपको पता नहीं चल रहा मैं कहाँ से read कर रही हूँ. You can see that the head boy of the school came and saved the small children from the rude bully. Do you think our government plays a similar role in our lives? Yes. Please write yes in the blank. Then we come to this start. You will draw in A4 sheet. Okay. I will check in next class. चलो now let's read. First मैं अपना पेन निकाल लूँ. रुको अब सीख है. ठीक है बस सबको. आई होप मैं जूम कर लेती हूँ. ओ मैं जूम कर देती हूँ. इरेज जल्दी हो. इरेज. In many countries including India, citizens have certain rights. A government is responsible for protecting the rights of its people. Apart from this government also makes laws and ensures that these laws are followed by the people. However, the government it is not all powerful, though it may have the power to make people obey the laws. Obey होता to follow. To follow. Please write to follow. To follow. So I hope ये clear होगा. To follow. मैं zoom कर देती हूँ पहले. To follow. Yes. At the same time, a government cannot make any laws that take away the basic rights of its citizens. The government also has to follow a set of rules or basic laws when it makes a law. This set of laws and principles has been complied and included in a document called the Constitution. Please, this will come in a difficult word. Please underline Constitution word. Constitution. Okay. अब पढ़ते हैं हम ये वाला. The Constitution of India. The Constitution of मैंने तभी स्टार्ट डाली है क्योंकि ये इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं ना जिनमें स्टार्ट इम्पोर्टेंट था हमारा दिस सेट ऑफ रूल्स, इधर भी स्टार डाल दो. The Constitution of India is the one of the longest written constitution in the world. One of the people who drafted the constitution was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Our constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949 and it came into effect on 26 January. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of our country. Okay? So, next page. Why is the Constitution important? पहले हम the Constitution of India पढ़ते हैं. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a surveillance, socialite, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens. You may have wondered where the government gets its power from to make laws and check that people follow them. ये देखो obey मैंने आपको बताया था ना, मैंने इधर भी लिखा है obey to follow. So it get this power from the constitution. The constitution tells us how the government is formed. The government, it tells the government what it can do and what it cannot do and prevents the government from becoming all powerful. The citizens of India have certain rights. They also have some duties. These rights and duties are given by our constitution. ठीक है, हम बाद में फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज पढ़ते हैं, मैं पहले आपको समझा देती हूँ. These are the rights and freedoms of the guaranteed by the constitution of some countries of the world to the citizens. These rights have a legal sanction and are inconferable in a court of law. So this is a word enforceable. Enforceable. Okay. Please underline these words. These are new words in our chapter. Okay. These two are. On the other hand, fundamental duty is the basic duty or responsibility bestowed on you as a constitution of the country. ठीक है students, so may I show you a video related this chapter. So first my video name is chapter 11 rights and duties class 4. These I hope you all can see. 2 minutes ad is coming. So I will start from start. These are your parents' right. You have to do your homework. Yes. Yes. थिंक एक और ड्यूटी का नाम है हमें अपनी चीजें प्लेस पे रखनी चाहिए. ये तो वही वाली कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है जो हमारी थी ये देखो वही है, देखना रिजॉल्व. देखते हैं वही वाली है, देखते हैं. मुझे तो बड़ी एक्साइटमेंट हो रही है पहली बात. ओ ये तो वही है, देखो सारे है ना, ये वही कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है जो वो कह रहे थे. पार्ट 2 अगली वीडियो में
और
आएगी। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।